Hey everybody, this is just a quick story from a fellow newbie silver stacker. I'm not a financial advisor, just a regular guy who started stacking in early 2020. Back then I picked up a few 1-ounce rounds each month, nothing big, just enough to tuck away. And you know what? Over time it added up. I even sold some of it to help pay for a brand new HVAC system for my 100-year-old house. That's real value in your hand. Now, silver's history is full of ups and downs. In the late 1970s, the Hunt brothers tried to corner the silver market. Prices shot up close to $50 an ounce in 1980, then crashed back down. Fast forward to 2011, after the financial crisis, silver spiked up again to almost $50 before falling back into the teens. When I got in around 2020, silver had just dipped below $12 an ounce during the pandemic panic, then bounced back hard as investors ran to precious metals. Today it's been on another run, up more than 40% just this year, trading over $40 an ounce today. And a big reason is that silver isn't just a shiny safe haven, it's also an industrial powerhouse. It's essential for solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, and even defense tech. On top of that, analysts say supply is running short, which could keep prices supported. So here's my philosophy as a small-time stacker. Don't do anything stupid. Don't buy on credit cards. Don't hurt your family's budget. I only buy what I can afford to forget about, usually just 3 or 4 rounds a month. Silver is volatile. It can spike fast and crash just as quick. But I treat it like a long-term savings account you can actually hold in your hand. Sometimes it pays off big, sometimes it just sits there, but either way, it gives you some peace of mind. So if you're curious, start small, stay safe, and don't chase the hype. Silver has a wild history, but for me, it's been a steady, tangible way to tuck a little value aside. And hey, if one day it helps you pay for something big like it did for my HVAC, that's silver doing its job. And by the way, if you're interested in some of my ramblings from when I was a county coroner, check out my other channel, the 501 Coroner on YouTube. All right, thanks. Have a nice day. Y'all be good to one another now.